When it comes to making most meals, one of the basic ingredients you'll need is stock. Chicken stock, vegetable stock, beef stock, or any stock. Now in this video, we'll be learning how to make chicken stock from scratch. Now in your shopping list, you'll need chicken, mixed spices, ginger, garlic, and onion. For the full list of ingredients, I'll leave the link in the description below. So without further ado, let's begin. To begin, I will be blending the onion. Place the chicken in the pot, add the mixed spices, onion, minced garlic, ginger, and just cover the pot. Leave the chicken to cook in its juice for about 10 minutes. Cook in its juice for about 10 minutes. Then add water, just enough to cover the meat in the pot. Cover the meat and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes till your chicken is well cooked. And there you have it. Your stock is ready. There is no better tasting stock than homemade stock. Believe that. Now, stock adds a range of flavors to your meal. Any meal it's used in tends to turn out really flavorful and delicious. So next I'm going to leave this to cool down, and then I'll separate the chicken, the cooked chicken, from the actual stock, which will be preserved for any meal I intend using it for. So there you have it. Your stock is ready to be preserved. You can store this if you don't intend using it immediately in the freezer, or you can use it immediately. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did enjoy watching this video, you can give me a thumb up or hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future updates. Until next time, bye bye.